Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, your go-to resource for all things related to maintenance and reliability. Today, we'll peel back the curtain on the world of predictive maintenance, a revolutionary approach that uses data and technology to optimize your operations. We'll discuss how different types of sensors collect data, how this data is analyzed, and how it helps predict when maintenance work is needed. This knowledge can be a game changer for your maintenance and operations teams. So let's get started. Let's dive into the world of predictive maintenance, also known as PDM, and how it uses data from sensors to monitor various conditions on equipment. As these sensors collect data, algorithms analyze this information to predict when maintenance work will be needed. So, what types of sensors are we talking about? Facilities can use a variety of sensors for data collection. Some of these include vibration analysis, most often used on rotating machinery, ultrasound analysis that uses sound to identify potential issues with equipment, and infrared analysis, which is used on equipment where temperature is a good indicator of issues. Each of these types of sensors collects data readings used in PDM. Now, let's talk about how sensors, data collection, and condition monitoring all come together. The readings collected by sensors may be logged into a CMMS or other form of software. Whenever those readings become abnormal, it's a sign that something isn't quite right. Different types of readings may indicate different problems. For instance, a certain amount of vibration in one part of a turbine may indicate worn bearings, whereas other readings might mean there's an imbalance or loose part. The key point here is when the readings from the sensors reach a certain threshold, it triggers a work order. This is the basic premise of condition-based maintenance. However, PDM takes this a step further. Predictive maintenance not only uses sensors to monitor the current state of an asset, but it also involves following trends to predict when issues might develop in the future. If a certain trend in measurements from your sensors indicates a future problem, you can schedule maintenance to prevent that problem from developing. For instance, if a mixer tends to exhibit slightly more vibration than normal a week before the bearings need lubrication, a model of the data from the sensors will show that. From there, a work order can be created in advance to make sure the bearings are oiled at the right time. So to sum up the process, sensors collect data from assets. Software, such as a CMMS, logs and tracks that data. Trends in the data predict when certain maintenance tasks will be necessary. A PDM work order is created when certain parameters are met. It's important to note that sensors are key to this whole process. Without them, it's unlikely PDM would be a cost-effective way to handle equipment maintenance. So remember, the right sensors and the right data can make all the difference when it comes to predictive maintenance. And that brings us to the end of our video. We've covered the key concepts of predictive maintenance, the role of sensors, data analysis, and how this all ties into creating an effective maintenance strategy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information about our maintenance and reliability tools, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.